Yes, that's the time. Welcome. Welcome back to another vlog. It is the 8th of January 2019. It is indeed Tuesday. And it's our Jasmine's birthday. Sweet 16 today she is. So a big happy birthday to Jay. So I'm going to take a present over to her this evening after she finishes school. Which we ordered, which we was hoping that it would come yesterday, but if it didn't come yesterday it was coming today. Rach tracked it last night and it'll be here today, so that's good, you know, at least it'll be here for today, it won't be late. But yes, I have to say last night, lovely night's sleep, best night's sleep I've had in absolutely ages, and my first alarm went off this morning and I just got up like that. Anyway, I was even up before Rach, so I've made me and Rach a drink. She's just got up, she's gone to the toilet. Oh, I best go and let Scruff in. I let him out ages ago. Well, since Rach went to work, I've just been sat on the sofa watching some YouTube videos, just chilling, waiting for the time to pass to get the kiddos up, which is in the next 10 minutes. Yes, and I've got, when it gets a bit lighter, I've got to go out and sort the bin out. It's recycling bin day, so I think they take a bit extra today as well from over the Christmas period. So I've got a few boxes in the garden, hoping that they'll take them. I'm sure they will. I still can't believe they took all that rubbish last week, but they did, luckily. But our black bin's full already, and I've got plenty of rubbish for that, so I think I might have to pop to the tip by the end of the week. Morning, Beau.
Morning.
You alright? No nursery today, is there? Tomorrow? Not today? No. So that means you have to stay at home and annoy Daddy. Okay? And who have we got this side of the room? We've got a Sandy Lish hiding. We've got a Sophie hiding. Morning, girls. I just said I haven't seen this one all morning. Where have you been? Upstairs. Are you alright? Sleep well? Sleep better last night? I did. You sleep better last night? Yeah, you was asleep before everyone, I think, last night. You must have been tired. You still messed about a bit, you and Lacey though, didn't you? Yeah.
I heard Mummy say that Lacey had scissors in the bed.
Yes, Lacey was doing some sewing or something. Mummy was like, no, it's time to sleep. Right, we all ready to go? Again? Not really, but we have to. Stretching. It's that time. Time for the kids to go. Soph's already gone, obviously. Time for these to go. And then we go home. And wait for the postman. Hopefully I can get something done today, but we will see. Right, have a lovely day.
How come Mummy's never in the vlog? Get her in.
There, she's in. She don't like it, and that's fair enough. Unless I wind her up and say, hi Rach. Hi Rach. Hi Rach. And then I turn it off and she goes, don't do that. See you later then. Love you. Home again. Just popped to Tesco's. I did. Rach needed some wash powder. So I picked the Surf up because that was on offer for £4.50. It's not too bad for a 40 wash, I suppose. Then of course she wanted a TV mag. There we go. Tells you all about the soaps as it does always. I know it's good toilet reading material. That's about all it's good for. And then we've got some of these, because these are on offer as well for £1, was it £1.50? So I liked it the other week. They had these on offer, £2.50 or two for £2.50. Now I wonder how many people just picked one up and not the two. So you could have got one for £2.50 or two for £2.50. Aha! What? What are you showing me? Your hair? Oh, you got a clip in it. Woo! I got my rubbish out for bin day, recycling bin day. So I've got a fair few boxes out there, rubbish, which they'll probably take. Well, I think other people have got boxes out too. I'm sure they'll take them. They're extras from Christmas, you see. So yeah, there's not as much there as what there was last week with the black bin. There was no end with that. So right, have my coffee and call the crew. As I do. So I've spoke to the crew. They're doing well. They're just waiting to see what's going on because Bill's son's girlfriend. What? I don't think they're married now. do apologise if you are, is about to give birth, really. I think she's in labour, slow labour, so congratulations to them. I think they already know that they're having a little boy, so yeah, that's good stuff. I'm waiting for the postman to come. I'm hoping that some stuff's going to come today so I can get on with something. Rachel's gone for a shower. Did I already say that? Chloe's playing and watching Mr. Tumble. Does my head in. Yeah, so that's it really at the minute. Ain't it what? What? Say hello to the vlog, what? He's rude, isn't he? Say hello. It's Chloe.
Hi.
I knew you'd come and say hello. Tit-ted, wouldn't you? You're cute.
Hi.
Hi. And I just want to say anyway, thanks. Just been reading some comments and a lot of people saying, oh, it's great to see you back. So, yeah, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate that.
I'm better back then.
Aha, excited. Postman's been. So the first excitement is, well, it's not really exciting, but it's a new battery for Rachel's phone. It's gone really slow and horrible. And these Apple phones seem to slow down when the battery goes, so it needs changing. So I'll do that for in a bit. And I've also got this. This is a CPU, because you know that computer build that I'm doing? It's for that. And now I've got this, I've basically got everything to get it up and running at least. Not everything that I need it to be, but I've got enough to get Windows on it and get it just fired up. So that's the start. So that's what I want to do. That's what I'm going to start on today, hopefully. So if I don't vlog too much, I do apologise. Another parcel just arrived, and this is for Jay, her birthday present. So I've got her some earrings that she perhaps like, I hope, wear from Pandora. So I'll drop them over this afternoon. Right, back to this PC build. So for all you guys that already know how to build PCs and that, don't have a go at me if I've got anything wrong, because I've never done it in my life before. It's just things that I've searched up and looked myself at something I wanted to do. Not everything's in there. I want to buy some SSD storage. I have got one of these Ultra M2 storages for now. Obviously I've got fans, processor, everything. I've got enough there to get it up and running, I think, and I think I've done everything right. Cable management might not be the best, but not bad first attempt for me, I don't think. Now I have to see if it'll fire up. Fire it up time then, guys. Moment of truth. Here we go. Woohoo, we have power! Fantastic. So for now, I'm just going to test it in Liam's bedroom on the telly here. So I've took the old PC out. I'm just going to connect it up to the wires there and see if I can at least install Windows on it. I have got a USB stick to install it on, so we'll see. So there you go, guys. You can see that we're on the BIOS. You've got your temperatures up there. I'm not sure what the should be and all that, so I'll just look into it all. That's my storage that I've got there, and let's see any bit of RAM that I've got at the minute, which obviously I'll add to. Yeah, so just gonna Google that. I don't know if that's quite high, not sure. Quick Google search tells me that that's alright. It's varying between 39 and 40, so that's good. It's very quiet, very quiet. So yeah, I'm just going to have a play about, guys. It's now installing Windows on there, so we'll let that get on with that, and I'm going to go make a drink. Also going to do Rachel's phone battery. Get that done, son. And that was a nice, quick and easy job. All done. Just come back upstairs, see how the computer's getting on, and yeah, it's nearly done, son. But eventually what I will do is I will get another obviously storage. I'm going to Hackintosh it, turn it into, like, well, hopefully that's another project I want to do, turn it into like a Mac. And of course I'd like to buy a graphics card with it. If anyone's wondering what chip's in it, it's an Intel 6400, I believe. Yes, I think. So that's got Intel graphics I can't remember the number. Is it 530 or something like that? I don't know. Yeah, just in case anyone wants to know what bits I'm using. That's the power supply. That's the CPU fan. And these are all my bits and bobs in here. These are the case fans that I'm using. That's the memory that I've got in at the moment, but that'll be changed eventually as well. Yeah. It's alright. Fun. I like these little projects. And eventually, when it's all sorted, I want a little corner computer table in the kitchen downstairs, and that's where it's going to live. Hopefully. Eventually. I'll get there. Just do bits at a time. But I'm just pleased that I've got this far, because when I first got the case to building, it's only a little case, and I know a lot of people say it looks like a microwave. It does. But that's all I wanted, just a little project at the minute. So it's a micro ATX motherboard from ASRock B250M, I think, professional, something like that. Anyway, I don't know, I'm going off track here because I'm getting excited. But yeah, I don't know, I can't remember what I was going to say. But yeah, it'll live downstairs eventually. I've got to say, guys, this motherboard also has ASRock RGB LED, and I also bought some light strips, so it looks pretty cool. So what I will do is, obviously, I'll probably replace this cover for a see-through cover. I've seen one on Amazon, so I might do that. Because it looks pretty cool lit up, and obviously if that's on, you can't really see. And here we go. She's moaning because I've turned the music down. I have to turn it down while I vlog, otherwise we get copyright strikes, don't we, guys? We don't want that. So when I stop vlogging, you can have the music back on. She likes Mummy's music, that Lady Gaga and whatever it is. That one. I've just told Lacey not to shout boring today. I started reading someone's comment earlier, which was quite funny, saying that they'd had headphones on when she shouted boring. I was close shouting it.
And it made them you.
So don't shout it today. Have you had a good day?
No. Boring!
What have you been up to then, guys?
Well, we have a blind teacher. She can't even see. She's blind.
I don't think she's blind.
She is. Whatever.
She wears glasses. They'll make her blind.
Yeah, but she lifted them up and she couldn't see you where you were.
Well, I was waving at her. I don't know how she didn't see me, but
Daddy, yeah.
I don't think she's blind. You
what, Daddy, mate? We're having it tomorrow, so you're going to have to come in that circle.
One at a time, one at a time.
I watched this advert and you can have an operation on your eyes so you don't have to glasses.
Ah. What have you been up to then? How many of you?
So, I done maths. I'm weird, aren't I?
No, you're not weird. You're just acting silly.
I done maths. We have a new topic.
What's your new topic?
I said it yesterday, Roman.
Oh, you do the same, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course you do. You're just in different classes, but you do the same topic.
Daddy, we were on searching. We was on iPads and we had to put like facts about Romans when they like died or.
Yeah, and did you like doing that? Did you like searching for things?
No, boring.
Okay. What about you, mate?
Okay.
Okay, Dave. Okay, Dave.
And Daddy. Oh, I forgot now.
Okay. So we're home again. So she's going to do her homework once again. Yeah, what homework we got tonight?
Technology.
Technology.
We got a recipe.
Oh, you got a recipe. What?
Flapjacks.
Flapjacks. Oh,
and then
that's not
next
bad.
time we're making smoothies.
Lovely.
And I've also got my homework. That's homework, isn't it? Well, my homework is geography.
Yeah.
Design your own smoothie. And you have to research on it for technology.
Cool.
No.
You're not taking your coat off?
No, it's too cold.
The heat, look. Liam's done the right thing. Look, he's got changed and got his.
Look at this pen.
Bedclothes. That's nice pen. Chloe, down. Right. Right, guys. It's the kids' bath nights, and they can start having the bath. And for their tea, they've just got like pizza and chips tonight. And all I can think about is that computer. Now, as I said, you know, for those that are watching this and know how to already build a computer and say, oh, you've done this, done that wrong. Well, I was thinking of that computer fan, the CPU fan, the way I've faced it towards the back. Now, I watched a video and someone suggested that you can put it that way. But then someone with the same case as mine has got it facing the other way, blow it that way towards the front of the case. So I don't know. I mean, the temperature seemed fine as it was, but I might have to change it around. I don't know. Maybe it'll look better that way. I don't know. We'll see. It was bugging me, guys, so I've come up and I've changed the CPU fan round so it's facing this way, so it's got a bit more room to breathe, as so to speak. I thought it was a bit too close to that one, so I don't know. I'm a newbie, but I'm still impressed with it, and these certainly are. You like it, don't you?
Newbie.
Sophie just finished her homework, haven't you? And she's got to go and get it changed quickly because tea is ready. She's not keen on pizza, but she likes these ones. These are the. You can do them in the microwave, but I always do them in the oven because they taste better.
I like the crust on them.
Yeah, I knew you'd like them ones. Chloe's playing up. She won't come for a tea. Come on. You're not having a bath until you've had your tea. So, come on.
Can you hang that up while I go and get changed then?
Hurry up, because your tea will be cold.
Okay.
Come on, Chloe. So another evening coming to a close. Another tea out the window. Well, for the kids. Me and Rach are having a fish pie later. But before all that happens, and after Rach gets home, should I say, I shall be going over to Jasmine's to give her present that we got her. I think I showed you them earlier, didn't I? Just in case I didn't, there they are, guys. Hopefully she'll be happy with them. Right, Rach is home, so now we're just going to go to Jay's. Just waiting for Soph. She's gone to get me the card and the gift. And she'll be on her way. She's coming with me. Shouldn't think Jay will come on the vlog, but yeah. Got to go to Mum's first, because I've got to pick Jay's birthday card up from them. So you'll get to see my mum, but you won't get to see Bill because he's took his son to the hospital because, as I said earlier, his partner's waters are broken. That I think she's in heavy labour now or something. So I think, well, you know how it is. You girls know how to do it. Yeah, you know. Yeah. So you won't see him. Here she is. Come on, Sophie Licious.
Can you grab these?
Yeah, taking Mum's dog bowl back and Bill's sweeteners as well.
Who's we going first?
Got to go to Nanny's first. Okay. Pick Jane's birthday card up from Nanny. I was wrong, guys. Bill's car's still here, so he hasn't gone yet. Don't know what's going on, Soph. Oh, it's dark and cold, isn't it? Thought you weren't going to be here. Thought you'd gone. Thought you'd gone to deliver a baby.
Yeah, so did I.
Has it been postponed?
I've just been told to put my slippers back on.
Oh, it's not happening yet then.
Well, they reckon it's gone to over 6 minutes now, so.
Bringing you sunshine.
You alright? You look pale? Huh? You look pale?
Yeah.
Right, just a quick visit. Love you, lot. See you then, Bill. Let us know when there's a baby then. Back home, Rachel's got the tea on, the fish pie, and peas. Peas? Oh, they're peas. Pea pods. There we go, guys. There is my tea. Yummy. Right, folks, it's 10 p.m. now. Just been chilling out, watching a few soaps actually with Rach. I just had a nice coffee made by Soph. But all the kids are in bed now, so I'm going to end this one here. Probably edit this vlog tomorrow now. I like to do it at night really and get it uploaded the same day, but time's getting on, so need to get some beauty sleep, don't we? Because we'll be up at 5. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and peace out.